Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Maths Online class of class 2nd. Myself Priya and I hope you all are doing good and enjoying your online classes. Students, today I will teach you page number 36 to 40. Okay students? So pay attention here all of you. Now we will start first page number 37. Here students, you have to do this work in your copies like this. First you have to write here page number, before, after and between, and you have to write here in the corner date, and on the top what will you write here? Classwork. Okay students, now come to question number 1. Write what comes before and after. In a part you see one number is given 347, and before this number you have to write 346. After 347, 348. Now come to B part. Here the number is 652. You have to write in first blank before it 651, and after 652, 653. Now come to C part. Here the number is 735. Now write before 735, 734, and after 735 is 736. Now D part. Here you will write the number. Here the question is 230, and you have to write before this number 229, and in second blank after this number write here 231. Now E part, before 109 write here 108, and after 109 write here 110. I hope you understood these, and rest of the part you have to write in it yourself in your book and copy both. Okay. Now question number 2. Write the number between. Here two numbers are given. In A part the question is, here you can see two numbers 150 and 100, and here the number is 152, not 51. Here you will write in between these two numbers. Write here 151. Now B part, the question is 369 and 371. What will you write here in between these two numbers? 370. 370. Now next number, in C part two numbers are given. In between you have to write 983 space 985. Here you will write 984. Now D part, what comes in between 742 and 744? 743. Now E part, what comes in between 598 and 600? 599. I hope you understood this one. Rest of the part you will do in homework बेटा. कॉपीज़ में आपको यही करना है जो पार्ट मैंने इसमें दिए हुए हैं. इन बुक्स यू हैव टू राइट फुल वर्क. नाउ question 3, fill in the blanks. A part, the number before 456. Before 456 we have to write here 455. and the number after it is, अब इसके बाद का नंबर 457. Okay students, now B part, the two numbers after 199 are, the two numbers after 199, 99 के बाद two numbers बताने हैं. Two blanks are here, dash and dash, 200 and 201. Okay, now next, the two number after 543 are 544 and 545. Rest of the part do in your homework, in your books. Now come to page number 38. Here we will learn comparing and arranging the numbers. So how we can do this one? So first we have to compare the hundreds. If these two hundreds are equal, compare the tens. If the tens are equal in both the numbers, you have to compare the ones. ओके, पहले आप हंड्रेड्स कंपेयर करके देखेंगे दोनों नंबर में. अगर वो दोनों इक्वल हैं तो आपको टेंस कंपेयर करने हैं कि कौन सा बड़ा है. और फिर अगर टेंस इक्वल हैं तो आपको ये देखना है कि वंस में कौन सा नंबर बड़ा या छोटा है. ओके, नाउ हियर few examples are given. First one is, here two numbers are given, 345 and 34, which is greater. First you have to see the hundreds place. Here in first number you see 3 is given on hundreds place and here 0. So it is clear which one is greater. 3 is greater than 0 now. So put greater than sign here. Now next question, 247 and 623, which is greater. First you have to compare hundreds place. Here 2 is given and here 6. 6 is greater. So you have to put sign in front of 623. 247 is smaller than 263. Now next question, next example, 729 first number and second number 737. First we will compare hundreds. In both the numbers 7 are equal, so इसको भी छोड़ो बेटा. Now next tens we will check. Here 2 is on tens place and another number 3 is on tens place. Which is greater? 3 is na. So write like this, 729 is smaller than 737. Now next, here the question is 879 and 875. If we will compare first number, on both the numbers hundreds place are equal. Okay, ये इक्वल है. अब नेक्स्ट टेंस पे जाना पड़ेगा आपको. Here also see on tens place 7 are equal. Now we have to compare ones place. On ones place 9 is greater. On ones place 9 is given and next number 5 is given. Which is greater? 9 na. So this number is greater. 879 is greater than 875. I hope you understood this one. Let's do exercise. Now page number 38, first you have to write here classwork. Here date you will write 7 July. Okay, and heading you will write comparing and arranging. Now question number 1, write greater than, smaller than or equal to. A part 231, next 435. First we will see hundreds place. Here 2 is given and here 4 is given. 4 is greater na, so put sign in front of 435. 231 is smaller than 435. Now B part, 117 and 72. Two numbers are given. First we will see hundreds place. Here 1 is given and here on hundreds place 0. Which is greater? 1 is greater than 0. So this number is greater. 117 is greater than 72. Now C part, the question is 135 space 235, which is greater. First we will check hundreds place. Here 1 is given on hundreds place and here 2 is on hundreds place. Which is greater beta here? 2 na. So put sign here in front of 235. So which is greater? 235 na. So how you will read this? 135 is smaller than 235. D part, 85 space 234. First we will compare hundreds place. Here you see on hundreds place nothing is given, it means here 0, and here 3 is given, means 3 is greater. It is on hundreds place na. 324 is greater than 85. And how you will read this one? 85 is smaller than 324. Now E part, the question is 197 space 179. First we have to compare hundreds place. Both are same. Now we have to move on tens place. Here 9 and here 7. Which is greater? 9 na. So put here this sign, greater than sign. 197 is greater than 179. Other part you will do yourself in your book. Now question 2, ring the smallest and tick the largest. Here you have to circle the smallest number. Okay, जो सबसे छोटा नंबर है उसे रिंग करेंगे और सबसे बड़े नंबर को टिक करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी विल रीड द नंबर 390, 568, 350, 676, 530, 667. Here which number is smaller? 350. Ring this one, and greatest number here 676. Like this you tick here on 676. Now come to B part. The question is 890, 486, 365, 512, 256, 809. Here which is smaller? Here you can see 2 is smaller. We have to see first hundreds place, okay, of all the numbers. Okay, here you can see 2 is smaller than others number. First number you see 890, then 486, then 365, then 512, after it 256, and last 809. Here on hundreds place this one is a smaller number na. 256 is smaller, so you have to put ring here. Okay, ring this number. Now take the largest one. Largest here 890. ओके, आपको इसमें भी ऐसे ही कंपेयर करना है बेटा. हंड्रेड्स प्लेस को पहले चेक करेंगे, अगर वो इक्वल है तो टेंस, अगर वो इक्वल है तो वंस. ओके, अदर पार्ट यू विल डू इन होमवर्क इन बुक्स ओनली. नाउ पेज नंबर 39. राइट greater than, smaller than or equal to. This is also same. A part 671. Other number 176. First we will check hundreds place. Here 6 is greater, so put greater than sign. 671 is greater than 176. Now B part 945 space 309. First we will see the number on hundreds place. Here you see 9 and here 3. 9 is greater now, so put here this sign, greater than sign. 947 is greater than 309. Now C part, here 410 and here also 410. 410 first number, on second place also 410. Which is greater beta? Here nothing is greater, and nothing is smaller, because both the numbers are same, so you have to put equal to. Now question number 2, ring the smallest and tick the largest. A part, the numbers are given 636, 451, 112, 772, 937, 212. Here which is the smallest number? Beta, for this we have to see the digit on hundreds place. Okay, which is the smallest here? 1 na? So this number is the smallest and ring this number 112. And greatest number we have to search first. Greater number here 9 है ना on hundreds place. Okay, that means this number is greatest, so we have to tick on this number. Okay, पहले आप हंड्रेड्स चेक करेंगे, अगर वो सेम निकलते हैं तभी हम टेंस प्लेस देखते हैं. ओके, अगर टेंस प्लेस सेम हो तो वंस प्लेस देखेंगे. नाउ बी पार्ट 418, 724, 836, 948, 152, 262. Which is smaller here? Which is the smallest number here? 152. On hundreds place 1 is smallest digit. Okay, सबसे छोटी डिजिट हंड्रेड्स प्लेस पे 152 की है 1, so we have to ring this one. Now greatest here on hundreds place 9 na, so this is greatest 948. Put here tick sign. Okay, here you have to tick this number, tick the largest number 948. Rest of the part you will do in homework in your books. Students, you have to do page number 36 maths gym and page number 40. Okay, review worksheet 2 yourself. Okay students, on page number it is given about place value, and you have learned earlier this one. Okay, so thank you everyone, keep learning and stay safe at home.